got another video for you guys showing you how to remove the Acura TL headlight. So basically, there's one bolt here on the side. There's two. There's another one here. 3 here. 4 here. 5 here. And 6 right here. And then there's 7 and 8 down there. Those 2 bolts. There's 2 bolts right there. You gotta take those out. And once you take those out, you take out the screw here and the screw here, the headlight should come out. So right now, I'm gonna take out these screws and catch back the video for you. Do you take out the screws? This bracket sits like right here. This is the bracket that sits underneath the headlight itself like this. So this, after you take the screw out of here, you can pop this out, pull it, and it'll pop out. All the screws that I showed you to take out, they'll come out. There'll be a bolt under here, under the headlight here, that you have to unscrew in order to get this bracket off, because this bracket is bolted into the bottom of the headlight. So you just run the screwdriver, the ratchet 10 millimeter under the reinforcement bar, and you just use 2 6-inch extensions and 10 millimeter socket, and you unscrew it. All these bolts were 10 millimeter, even the 2 down here. You just lean the ratchet over the airbox and just unscrew it, and then you run it under this electrical line, the socket, and then it'll unscrew the bolt. So now the headlight should drop down since I've taken out all the screws. Up top here, the side here, the bottom, the other one that was here, other one that was here. So the headlight should drop down now. Exactly, and it did. So okay, so you gotta take out one more thing. This piece right here. Somebody broke it. So I'm gonna have to pause the video, hold this, take this bolt out, then this piece will come out, and then the headlight will drop down, and then I'll catch back the video. Alright, now I got the 10 millimeter bolt out here, unscrewed it. Put it in here with all the other screws. Look at all them screws to take off the bumper and the headlights. Look at that. It's a nightmare. And you pull this, comes right out. Set this to the side. Pull the headlight down. Come out of the bumper. Something custom here. They bolted a wiring harness to this, to the factory fog lights. They zip tied something onto this, so that's why it wasn't fully coming out. But the headlight, the factory wiring gives you enough leeway to pull out the headlight, enough to get to the wiring and the clips. Right now is the cover for the back of the headlight. Unclip this. Slide this down. Unplug this. Press on the tab on the top. Pull backwards. The metal bracket down there between the wiring. So I'm gonna twist and turn it out and then catch back the video to get it out, to slide the headlight out. So I shimmied out the headlight. This is the wiring harness that goes to the factory fog light. This goes to the factory HID ballast. This goes to the ballast. This one goes to for the the shield to go up and down. This gives it power. And then this one's for the turn signal. And then I just slid the headlight out. Just came right out. Just slid the headlight right out. Yeah, it goes right here. Both headlights. That's it. That's how you take out factory headlight. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.